Okay, so we're now looking at example 2, and it is find the general term or the rule for the following linear sequence and hence find the 65th term. So I know that 6 is term 1, 8 is term 2, 10 is term 3, 12 is term 4, and I'm actually asked, well, what is term 65 going to be? And I'm going to use a formula known as the general formula to help me figure this out. In order to find the general formula, we need to follow 2 clear steps. Step 1, find the start term, term 1, and the common difference. So term 1 in this case is 6, and the common difference in this case is plus 2, and between 8 and 10 is plus 2, and between 10 and 12 is plus 2. So the CD is equal to plus 2. The next step I follow is to draw and complete the table. As spoken about earlier, I need to know these titles of the table completely off by heart. Okay, so I've just placed the table down here, and it is term number, CD multiplied by term number, and term value. So term number, we're going to do the first 3, and hopefully that will help me figure out what I'm looking for, which is term n. So we've got term 1, term 2, and term 3. The common difference is 2, so here it'll be 2 multiplied by term number, which in this case is 1. That gives me 2. The term number here is 2, so it's 2 multiplied by 2, which gives me 4. And the term number here is 2 multiplied by 3, which gives me 6. And down here I would have the common difference multiplied by the term number, which in this case is n, we don't know. So 2 multiplied by n gives me 2n. Along here I fill in the term values, and so this is what the values were. So term 1 was 6. Term 2 was 8, and term 3 was 10. And I ask myself, okay, I'm at a 2, what do I need to do to get to a 6 here? And the answer is I need to plus 4. I'm at a 4 and I need to do something to get to an 8, and it is plus 4. I'm at 6 and I need to do something to get to a 10, and it's plus 4. And what you can see here, first years, is that I am doing the same thing to every single number, which means that if it was 2n, I would be adding 4 also. And that is the hardest bit done, because this now is our general rule. Once we find our general rule, we can now find any term we're looking for, and in this instance we're looking for 65, the 65th term. So I'm going to just make this a little bit smaller, move it up a little bit. And so we found term n is equal to 2n plus 4. That's our general term. And I've been asked now to find the 65th term, which means I'm looking for term 65. And so wherever I've got an n, I'm now going to place 65, and it will be multiplied by. So 2 times 65 plus 4 is going to give me the answer to that. I'm going to give myself a little bit more room here, make it a little bit smaller, move it up. Okay, so 2 times 65. Remember BIMDAS, remember brackets means multiply. So 2 times 65 is going to give me 130, and then we have the plus 4. So the 65th term here is 134. So if I went on and on and on, term 65 would be 134.